Yeah, welcome to our fifth activity. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to form meaningful sentences with collective nouns. But before we start, let me give you this activity. Write 2 examples each of collective nouns of people, animals, and things. Because you know the definition of collective nouns, as they are words naming group of people, group of animals, and group of things. So I want you to give me 2 examples of the collective nouns of people, 2 examples of collective noun of animals, and 2 examples of collective nouns of things. Right. Cross-check your answers with mine. If you look at mine, people, we have a gang of thieves, a class of students, a jury of judges, etc. So any of them that you write is correct. And animals, we have a flock of sheep, a swarm of bees, a pack of puppies. So these are collective nouns referring to animals. Then other things, we have a bouquet of flowers, a box of matches, a cake of soap, or you can also say a bar of soap. So these are the possible answers for your memory questions. Now to sentence formation, how we can form meaningful sentences with collective nouns. The first one is how to use collective nouns with singular verb. Let's consider the example below. Every morning, the herd follows its leader to the watering hole for a drink. If you look at this sentence, the singular collective noun is the herd. So since it's singular, it must use singular verb, that is follows. And if you look at this pronoun, that is singular pronoun, it's a singular pronoun, that is possessive pronoun, is. Okay, so with this, you can easily identify a noun or collective noun as singular. Therefore, it must be used with singular verb or singular pronouns. I hope this example will help you to do the next activity. So there is your next activity. So if you click on A5, activity 5, you will see this one on the learning zone or Ziba learning zone. You do it right for me. Our next video is going to be how we can use collective nouns with plural verb. Okay, this one is singular verb. So you should also know how to use collective nouns with plural verb. So thank you, and let's move on to our next video.